Hey and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video we will find out the best bank data connector for fintech apps between Plaid and MX. If you're looking for the best bank data connector for fintech apps in 2025, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. Plaid is renowned for its robust API solutions that enable developers to connect with users' bank accounts, verify account information, and facilitate transactions securely. Founded in 2013, Plaid has become a cornerstone in the fintech ecosystem, powering numerous popular applications like Venmo, Coinbase, and Robinhood. One of Plaid's key strengths lies in its expansive coverage of financial institutions. With integrations across thousands of banks and credit unions, Plaid offers broad accessibility, making it easier for Plaid developers to create applications with widespread appeal. Moreover, Plaid's user-friendly documentation and developer tools simplify the integration process, reducing time to market for new financial products. Plaid services span various use cases, including account authentication, income verification, and transaction categorization, making it a versatile solution for a wide range of financial applications. Additionally, Plaid places a strong emphasis on security and compliance, adhering to industry standards and regulations to safeguard users' sensitive financial data. MX, formerly known as Money Desktop, takes a comprehensive approach to financial data aggregation and analysis. Established in 2010, MX offers a suite of products designed to empower financial institutions and fintech companies with actionable insights derived from users' financial data. Unlike Plaid's focus on developer-centric APIs, MX provides pre-built solutions tailored to financial institutions seeking to enhance their digital banking offerings. MX's platform incorporates advanced data analytics and machine learning capabilities to deliver personalized financial insights, budgeting tools, and predictive analytics to end users. MX development focuses on user experience that extends beyond basic account aggregation, offering features like personalized financial health assessments, goal tracking, and spending analysis. By leveraging AI-driven algorithms, MX helps users make informed financial decisions and achieve their financial goals more effectively. Furthermore, MX prioritizes data privacy and security, implementing stringent measures to protect users' information while ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements such as GDPR and CCPA. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.